Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for 5th April 2021. So this video is for 5th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 6th April. Yes, I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you do not miss any opportunity and you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So now let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen. As you can see, market is in great uptrend. There is no doubt about it. And as we all know, just like Euro JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen was also in a strong uptrend since last 3 months. Okay, so this is the chart you can see. There is no doubt, okay, just like Euro JPY, that yes, this is one of the most bullish pair. Just look at the uptrend and just look at the dominance of the bulls. They have dominated the market for 3 months, okay, for 3 months, and still they are dominating, okay. Unlike Euro JPY, okay, Euro JPY, if this is the resistance, Euro JPY is trading somewhere around here, okay. Whereas this currency pair GBP JPY is trading above this resistance. Therefore, this resistance, okay, is no longer valid for this currency pair. Okay, because this is trading above this level for a certain period of time, for a considerable amount of time. Okay. Whereas Euro Japanese Yen is still on the way towards the resistance. Okay. Overall, by looking at the overall chart, we can easily tell that yes, great uptrend, bullish market. This is the weekly chart, and weekly chart is also telling us the same story. Just look at the candle. It's a green healthy candle. Okay, no doubt about it. And the previous candle is a hammer kind of a pattern, which suggests that yes, price went down, but the bulls pushed the price all the way upside. So it formed a hammer pattern. Okay, so no doubt about the trend of the market that yes, this is a bullish market, a market of the bulls. Okay, so looking at the overall trend and the weekly chart, we one thing is very clear to us that yes, this is a bullish market. Therefore, we should only be looking for buying opportunity. And in the weekly chart also, you can easily see that there is no prominent support or resistance available in the market as of now, apart from this level. Okay, so we do not need to worry much. So what should be a strategy then? In a market like this, we can look for two strategies or two opportunities. Okay, the first is this line. As you can see, this is the high of the market. Okay, after making this high, market came down a little. So wait for the Monday, and have the market opening. After the market opening, just look at the position of the price. Okay, if market open below this line, then wait for the market. Wait and wait. Wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, once market crosses this particular level, 153.20 level, then just observe the price. If you see that market is crossing the resistance, okay, or market has crossed the resistance and trading comfortably above this line for at least 3 hours or 4 hours, okay, then it's a good signal that resistance has become the support now. So let the market trade above this line. Okay. When market will be above this line, just try to understand the market psychology. Just try to understand or just try to read the market. Okay. If you see that market is trading comfortably, okay, market is not struggling, the price is not struggling, then you can easily go for a buy because the resistance has become the support. This is the first opportunity or strategy number one. And the strategy number two is this. If market opens between this range, okay, if market opens between this range, these two lines, and instead of going up, market starts coming down. Okay, if market starts coming down, then look at the price at this level, 152.26 level. Okay, when market will be in this level, okay, because market has a kind of a small support, okay, here. So if one market will be in this level, okay, you can expect the if see overall the trend of the market is bullish, okay, so you can expect the market may bounce from here, and if it bounces from here, you can go for a buy just above this also 152.26 level. So the first strategy is, okay, buy above this level 153.20 level, and the second strategy is 152.26 level, okay, and in between these two lines you do not need to trade, okay, only buy above this level so that your risk to reward ratio matches. You will not be making compromising with the discipline. Secondly, when market will be just bouncing from this level, okay, then also your risk to reward ratio will be matching, okay, because we do not compromise with the trading discipline, because we are not gamblers, we are traders. Yeah, trading discipline is very much required to stay afloat on the market, and you should not compromise with the discipline at any cost. If you want to become a profitable trader, consistently profitable trader, then stick with the discipline. Okay, so first, hopefully you've understood. Okay, first is this level 153.20 level and 152.26 level. Buy above this and buy above this. If market crosses the level, buy above this level. If market comes down and takes support at this level, grab it. So these are the two levels and two trading windows and opportunities for you, British pound Japanese yen for 5th March to 5th April 2021. Sorry. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow again, and do not forget to subscribe.